Hello there YouTubers, welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode we are looking at this. This is the Suitu heated car seat. So basically this is a pad that you put on top of your car seat and it's going to heat you up along with the car seat. You're going to plug this into the 12-volt socket and hopefully it's going to work. I'm going to be doing most of the testing off camera, but I am going to do a demonstration of how to install it, which is very simple, nothing complicated. But I'll let you know how it went. Okay, so let's take it out. And this is what you have. So this is the pad. And let's look at the control. There are 3 positions: low, off, high. And this is the plug. This is the 12-volt plug that you put in the 12-volt socket of your car. Okay folks, so here we are in my car. It's an old car. But the first thing I notice is that this cable is on the left side, on the right side of the seat. That means that this is more suited for a car with a left hand wheel. So if you live in a country where the wheel is on the right side, this might be a bit of a problem, even though it is long enough. But it's going to be twisted like that. It's going to be angled like that. It's not going to be natural like on a car that has the wheel on the left. And I do live in a country where the wheel is on the left, like most countries. But if you live in a country where the wheel is on the right, just keep that in mind. Okay, so here's the top strap right here. Just put it over the headrest and then pull the headrest down like that and pull that up. And you're good. Okay, so this is the back of the seat right now, and this is the center strap. So you do that from the back and then you click it locked. Okay, so these are the front hooks. So you just bring them down over here like that, and the other one, and you are ready. Okay, so let's plug it in and let's start the engine. Alright, so I've been sitting in this car for quite some time and it does heat. It's definitely working. So I'm going to be testing this off camera for a few days. Okay folks, so we have reached the end of this review and everything went well. I've been testing it for a few days, so I'm very happy with it. It does warm, it does do what it claims to do. So having said that, the considerations with this would be if you use this on a person that is has a medical condition, for example, or a paraplegic person, or somebody is in a coma, or I know these are extreme examples, but you would not want to use this on a person like that, or on a child, somebody younger than 12 years old, somebody that's very old or has Alzheimer's. If you read the instructions, it'll say don't use it on that kind of people, because they can't alert you if this starts burning them a little bit too much, if it's heating up too much. So you only want to use this on a perfectly healthy person that can either move out of the way if it gets too hot, or if they can alert you. They can say, oh, it's burning or it's too hot. So just be very careful how you use this. This is a serious device. This is not a toy. So that's why I'm talking a little bit extra on this final thoughts section, because I know that this kind of device has its safety issues. Like I said, anybody that can't move out of the way or tell you that they're getting burned, don't use it on that kind of person. And of course, don't use it on a baby. Don't put a baby on top of this, because baby can't tell. They'll just start crying, but you won't know why they're crying. So this is there are a lot of safety concerns with anything that heats up like this. But for the majority of people, like healthy people, adults, I think this will be perfectly fine. And I'm using extreme examples. I'm not saying that this is burning. It does not burn. But if it were to malfunction for whatever reason, or even catch fire, which I don't think it will, because it has a fuse in here, and then there's the fuse in your car. So there's 2 fuses protecting this. But if that were to happen in some sort of freak accident, Just bear that in mind, that you want somebody that can do something about it. If this either heats up too much, it's uncomfortable, or the person that's using it can't move out. Also, I would not recommend this using on somebody that has either a knee hip replacement, or is pregnant, or has had surgery, or is about to have surgery, or anything like that, because that's what the instructions say. Don't use it on people with medical conditions where heating might be a bad thing. So having said that, I'm going to give this 5 stars out of 5 because I think it worked great and it did what it advertised it was going to do. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.